GM, my people. What's good? You know, I've been missing you guys a lot, eh? And I've been searching and looking for good things for you. And guess what I found? I found Mawari. Now, what's Mawari? Mawari is a DePIN, decentralized physical infrastructure network. But Mawari is focused on spatial and 3D streaming while aggregating global GPU nodes called Guardian nodes to deliver real-time AI-powered immersive XR content. And when they say XR, they're like immersive type shit, like AR and VR, augmented reality and virtual reality, right? Damn, that's amazing, right? Their platform includes both spatial streaming SDK and an upcoming Arbitrum-based L2/L3 chain. Jeez, and they are backed by top investors. Samsung Next, that is huge. 1KX, Animo Brands. Forgive me. Animo Brands Japan, Borderless Capital, Block Change, blah blah blah. And as you can see, they raised up to $28 million, guys. Hell no. I can't miss out on this shit. I don't know about you, but I can't miss out on it. So here's the airdrop status and mechanics. XR credits, right? So you're gonna have to be earning XR credits, like you'll be performing tasks and earning credits. We'll soon hop into it right away. Now, look at her. Mawari is the world's first DePIN for spatial computing, just what we saw there, right? Now, these are the steps to join this airdrop. Visit the Mawari portal page, connect your wallet, complete different social tasks, and earn XR credits. Earn more XR credits by inviting friends, and also input a referral code, guys, because there's a certain bonus you get when you use a referral code. You see that soon. All right, so without wasting much of our time, let's get out to business. Open a new tab, copy my referral code from the video description below and paste in your browser, and boom. Now this right here is the Mawari page, okay? You can see, welcome to the Mawari portal, blah blah blah. Now click on sign in. You'll be given options to sign in. MetaMask, this, choose your wallet and sign in. And congrats, guys, you have successfully signed in Mawari portal. Okay, so now here is the perk I told you about. If you have a referral code, use my referral code Nectar to get a certain bonus. Click on next and voila, you see, you get 10 XR credits for using a referral code. So hey, referral codes aren't that bad, don't you see? So use my referral code to get 10 XR credits as you sign up. Okay, now let's go. So this is the whole website. Welcome to Mawari portal. Secure your XR chip to unlock exclusive feature opportunities in the Mawari ecosystem, and this, that, and those. Okay, so now we are here to perform certain tasks and earn XR credits. Okay, that's what we're here to do. So to perform these tasks, we have to connect our socials, our X, our Discord, and Telegram. We'll join their Telegram, and that's when we now come to claim the chip. Let's connect our socials first, then we'll come back to that. So now let me show you how you can claim your XR chip for free on the Mawari airdrop. Okay, so click on let's go. Now it will take you to this page. All right, so your wallet's already connected, but you have to be connected to the BSC network. You have to change this to BSC. Okay, So then to ask you to confirm it in your wallet, and you just did a thing by itself. So you click here to sign the message to confirm the claiming of your XR chip, right? Click on confirm, and as you can see, your wallet is now verified. Okay, so now you input your email. What is your email? Input your email. Click I'm not a robot. Do the thing. And click on submit. Boom. And as you can see, congratulations, you've just claimed your XR chip. Wow. So you can choose to share this on X. Okay, so you go back to the home page, click on verify, and voila, you've done all the tasks available for now. Okay, now here is the leaderboard. You can see okay, this is the history of everything you've claimed. This is your 10XR from using a referral code. This is 10XR from following Mawari on X. This is 5XR for sign up bonus. You know, this is just like showing you the whole history of stuff you've been doing. So here's your referral tab. So here, you and your friends can both earn points by using your code. As you can see, 5XR credits. For each friend you refer, you receive 5XR, and then for each friend that uses your referral code to sign up, you receive 5XR. Okay, so this is your referral code right here. You can copy the link, and you can also change it so it can be easier for you to remember, so you don't have to come back here to, you know, recopy it or something like that. Okay, so now I'm going to change mine to airdrop, and next, and then they'll prompt you. You won't be able to change this again, so make sure that the code you're putting now is something you can easily remember, or you know, you wouldn't want to change later on. Click on confirm, and boom, this is your new referral code now. Okay, so if the person signing up and the person just needs your referral code, you can just yell your name as your referral code, and that is totally usable. Okay, so that is literally all for now about the Mawari airdrop. Alright, so if there's any other thing about this airdrop, I'll let you guys know. So subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and click the notification bell so that whenever I put an update, be it about this airdrop or about any other airdrop, you'll be the first to know about it. Follow us on X so that you don't miss the latest updates on any airdrops or any of the crypto news happening. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace.